Hey guys, welcome back. I had to voice over the beginning of this because there was some extreme noise in the background, but let's jump
Then
in
I
from where
have
we
to
can.
co-wash my hair every 2 to 3 days, 3 days tops. Actually like shampooing my scalp and doing an ACV rinse on my scalp. I do that once a week. And yeah, I just keep my hair conditioned as much as possible. I'm going to do this. And this is the High Pro Pack Extremely Damaged Hair Repair Intense. And I always like to take my conditioners up a notch with my favorite hair oil. So I'm putting the whole pack into the little container. This smells actually really nice. I've never used this particular one before. I have used this brand, but not this particular one. So that's about how much it is. And I'm gonna put like 2 dropperfuls of my favorite oil. But yeah, I'm just gonna start section by section and put it in my hair just to make sure root to tips, everything is covered. Got my hair up, got my little comb brush situation. You definitely wanna comb everything out. My hair started to dry. That's okay. Keep a spray mister just to re-wet that section. About that much. It's probably too much for that section. And I just rub it through. I really make sure like I feel it. I rub it through, rake it through, everything. Onto the next section. And I don't do this like parting and all that. I just pull it out and do it section by section. So nothing major. Just once again, add some and smooth it through. I'm going to continue this process on my entire head and I will be back. See, my hair is thoroughly coated. So I, went through it with comb brush, twisted it up like that. And the pack, it says to leave on for 2 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. I never follow that. That's just me. Maybe you want to. I'm going to leave this on for about at least 45 minutes to an hour. I'm not going to cover it with a plastic cap. I'm just going to let it be. This is what works for my hair. So, all right, guys, I'm back. My hair is all rinsed and towel dried as much as possible. So this is what we're looking at. And my hair, it feels soft. It feels good. Like, oh. So the next step is, again, section by section. I'm going to go through my hair with this. And this is the Aussie Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. So I'm going to section my hair off. Then my secret weapon that I love and I only use the tiniest amount. This is actually carrot seed oil. So I use a little bit of that per section. So I'm going to do that in my entire head to seal in all that lovely moisture. Not too much. So originally I wasn't going to go for a wash and go, but now I am. So I have to re-wet my hair because if you know, the hair needs to be soaked to get the best definition and all of that. So it's looking pretty good. And before I'm done, like, of course I do my baby hairs and all that, but I'm gonna go through my hair section by section using water. I'm gonna use the Second Curl Activator, Frizz Taming Cream, a little bit of carrot seed oil, and a buttload of hair gel. Okay, so I'll be back. So this is where we're at with it. And my curls aren't super popping just yet, but they will be. It's a process. Patience is key. So I just want to show you this last piece in real time, because just to see the difference of when you just, why it's so important to do small sections and take your time. Lately I've been doing a side part. So this time I'm gonna do a middle part and I'm just mixing the products in my hand. Let me just get that layer. And you have to like put it in there a lot. And just finger comb the life out of it. I mean the life into it. Finger comb the definition into it. And you see it starts to separate. It only gets better. You see, I can still see. If you see frizz and it's not like completely smooth, then you're missing something. For me, when I see that, then I know I need to just smooth my hair out. It's all smooth. And I go through with my gel. This is not the gel that I wanted to use, but it's what I have available. I have to go to Target. And you see, I do this over and over because it's like coating it root to tip. So you're gonna have the most definition. Well, the most definition that I can get for my hair, but if your hair isn't damaged like mine, you'll have way more definition. And it's just nice. So for this wash and go, I'm going to use my hair dryer because I don't have time to let it air dry. It takes a very long time. If you know, you know.
So right here, I'm just drying my hair with my hair dryer and showing you just how I just scrunch through it to get the maximum definition. I had to take the sound out of here because the hair dryer is loud and pretty annoying, and yeah, but I didn't dry 100% all the way through, but as you can see, the definition, it just got better and better, and I don't use it on a high heat setting at all. That hair dryer is very powerful, but I don't use it hot. Just it's warm at best to get my hair dry.
As you can see, the difference is night and day. The curls are coming through so nicely. And this is only about 5 minutes of drying maybe. So I'm not gonna dry it thoroughly because I don't want to over dry it and like dry it out. I still can feel the gel cast. I'm gonna go make this side, match this side, and maybe scrunch and dry a little more. So this is where I'm at now. I'm about 96% dry or so. I'm gonna let it finish air drying the rest of the way, and I'm gonna leave it. I won't break the gel cast until maybe tomorrow. But yeah, look at those curls.
So this is the end goal. This is where I'm trying to get my hair to. Thank you guys for watching. I will be posting regularly and updating my products as they change. I'm making progress. So until next time.